Number one, the facility offers top-notch equipment. It's up to par with the industry standards. We go above and beyond to make sure that we stay up to par, because as a test facility, we get inspections usually on a yearly basis, but sometimes our inspector likes to show up sooner, and we like to stay on our toes.
It's a good program. It's very structured, and we teach them not to only weld, but we teach them how to repair and work with materials that are out in the industry.
Something a lot of people don't really know is that we actually work hand in hand with the CWI on site. A lot of people don't really know that about Summit, that we have a CWI here on site and we follow their guidelines as an instructor, so that way we can walk them right into being a certified welder.
The curriculum that is run here works in accordance with the American Welding Society and also the Department of Building and Safety, so it's recognized. The minute a student attains a certification from Summit College, it's automatic recognition because of that.
It gives them the basic knowledge of welding, and then after that we go into the more structured part with our advanced wheel, and that will get them prepared for the certification.
There's no such thing as a stupid question. There's no such thing as I shouldn't have asked that, because if you don't ask, then you don't know. Okay, that's what we're here for. We got between combined all of us, the instructors, we got almost 90 years of theory behind us and training. So we've been a lot of experiences, and we want the guys not to make our mistakes, but to better themselves so that their future is better.